Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video of Trade Like Chirag. I am Chirag and today we will analyze all of our trades. But before that, let us just talk about the market. What a big rat scary candle today Bank Nifty has made, Nifty 50 has made. और आज तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि at 3:30 only the selling will stop. And आप मेरी टी शर्ट का कलर देख के तो बता ही सकते हैं कि आज मार्केट में क्या हुआ है. So for the people who don't know about the 100 trade challenge, make sure you watch my previous video before. And चलिए आइए देखते हैं कि what are the trades which we have taken today and what was the logic behind it. Before that, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
So guys, this was our first trade, which was in Nifty 50. So the logic was this is the support zone or the support range. It was between 18,900 to 18,650. Okay, let us just analyze it in 15 minutes. 15 minutes में जैसे ही Nifty 50 like gap down हुआ था, and after these first two candles यहाँ पे कुछ entry बनी थी मेरी, and like मैंने जस्ट इस सपोर्ट जोन के नीचे ऐसे लिया था एंड मुझे लगा था कि फर्स्ट ये गैप फिल होगी. सो बेसिकली इट वाज एक्सपेक्टेशन बेस्ड ट्रेड. सो ये हमने हमारी मिस्टेक्स में भी लिखा है आज कि थोड़ा एक्सपेक्टेशन बेस्ड हो गया था एंड हमने इग्नोर कर दी दिस सेलिंग कि सेलिंग प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा है. एंड सेकेंडली द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच वी इग्नोर्ड इज कि टुडे वाज द मंथली एक्सपायरी. नाउ गाइस दिस इज जस्ट अ ऑब्जर्वेशन. मतलब मैंने ये ऑब्जर्व करा है कि वेन एवर देर इज अ निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी एक्सपायरी मोमेंट हमेशा एक तरफ ही होता है. लाइक अगर सेलिंग स्टार्ट हो गई है तो फिर देन देर इज नो बाउंस बैक, और अगर अगर मतलब एक रैली स्टार्ट हो गई है तो फिर कुछ भी पुल बैक भी मतलब नहीं आता है, या फिर इट इज कंप्लीटली साइडवेज. तो इट इज जस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन. आई एम नॉट सजेस्टिंग यू टू जस्ट ट्रेड ऑन दिस आइडिया, बट इट वॉज अ एक्सपेक्टेशन ट्रेड. मुझे लगा कि इट इज अ गैप डाउन नियर सपोर्ट जोन, तो मुझे लगा कि आई थिंक आई शुड गो फॉर द लॉन्ग. So this was our trade number one. Then trade number two was in Tech Mahindra. The reason was very simple. First of all, Nifty IT जो सेक्टर है, इट इज इन द सपोर्ट जोन एंड सिमिलरली यहाँ पे एक ऑर्डर ब्लॉक था डेली में, and it is like it was a gap down directly into this. It opened gap down directly into this zone, and 15 minutes में as soon as ये big red candle बनी after the gap down, again same expectation कि I thought I should long here, but इसमें the major mistake was, see, this is the point where I have taken the long position. The major mistake was कि मैंने इस कैंडल को आई थिंक कंप्लीट होने के पहले यहाँ पे एंट्री कर ली थी. सो दिस वाज द मेजर मिस्टेक. मतलब मुझे वेट करना था हाई टूटने का, देन डेफिनेटली द टारगेट वुड बी दिस गैप. तो यहाँ पे भी मेरी शायद ऐसी कुछ ट्रेड थी. इसमें मैंने स्टॉप लॉस काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्ट लिया था, which was very right. It was something around 105, I think. Yeah, it was around 105. And my target was this. And see, guys, how it is consolidating very nicely. And finally, in the end, it gave the breakout. So this will be the stock to watch for tomorrow. Let us analyze our third trade. Third trade, I think we've taken in Ramco Cement. Okay, after two back-to-back SL, after such a great opening of 100 trade challenge, I finally decided कि let us just find some stock to short. So this was the perfect stock to short. Why? Because इसमें कुछ I think higher time frame का इधर resistance है, and in daily it was consolidating very nicely. On 15 minutes we can see कि how nicely it is consolidating above this line. And I think yesterday it gave the breakout, then retest, and again today also it was like breakdown. इस area का breakdown हुआ था. So I was planning to short here this line. I was in 5 minutes, if you will see, I was planning to short here जब उसने दिन का low तोड़ा था. But the good thing which I have done is, you see this two candles. It was around 1140 and 1145. Let us see what Nifty was doing in 1140 and 1145. So 1140 and 1145 पे निफ्टी ने भी जैसे ही एक पुल बैक दिया एंड 5 मिनट्स के कुछ ऑर्डर ब्लॉक्स पेंडिंग थे इधर, तो उसी टाइम पे द गुड थिंग विच आई हैव डन इज इन रैमको सीमेंट द टाइमिंग वाज वेरी नाइस. See, I didn't take the trade here. As soon as it was approaching towards the high, मुझे पता था कि यहाँ पे it will face some resistance. So even I didn't wait to finish this candle. मैंने somewhere here I traded और मेरा stop loss was the high of this, and I take some 1:2 trade here, and like this was a trade in which we got the target. हमने कुछ profit बनाया था इसमें. So this was the trade number 4, which was ABFRL. In this also the reason was very clear. I was waiting for this order block और मुझे लगा कि all of the stocks when started bouncing back, तो मुझे लगा कि शायद ये इस विक से ही चल रहा है, एंड उसका कंफर्मेशन लिया मैंने ऑन 15 मिनट्स. अगेन इट इज जस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन कि वेन एवर अ स्टॉक गोज डाउन एंड इट्स ब्रेक इट्स हाई, तो यहाँ पे एंट्री बनती है विद अ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ द लो विच इट हैज मेड, एंड इसमें हमारा टारगेट होगा समवेयर अराउंड दिस 225. Now let us just talk about the trade number 5, which was in IOC. Again in IOC, the reason was pretty much clear. On daily time frame, it is on 200 moving average, and इधर कुछ pending order blocks भी है. Okay, so we have made entry somewhere here. Our target would be, I think, around 87.5, 88, जो भी हमें मिलेगा. Trade number 6 was Bank India. Okay, in this also on daily we have some order block, and in 15 minutes again I missed this entry, and again when it was like breaking the high, I took the trade here, and this will be the stop loss, or maybe we will take this as the stop loss, and we will try to grab 1:2 target, which would be somewhere, this is 85, no, so which would be somewhere like 95, 96. So this was all about the trades which I have taken here. This is my position. Like, these are the trades which I have closed today itself, and these are the trades which I'm still holding. Acha, for some of the people who are asking on Instagram कि I missed some of the trades, so let me just tell you, there are some good stocks which are in my radar, but I am unfortunately I am not able to take it. So I think for tomorrow there are some stocks which will be in focus. The first one would be Hathway. Again, the same reason, order blocks and 200 moving average. So keep Hathway in radar. In number 2, I think Persistent. Okay, how to enter in Persistent? So I've made this trend line. So as soon as it breaks this trend line, I think you can enter in Persistent. The next one would be, of course, Tech Mahindra, which we have already talked. Yeah, which we have already talked. Definitely you can achieve somewhat like 1140 easily. So these would be the 3 stocks from me. Okay, so guys, this was about the stocks. Now let us just check the Excel sheet how I maintain. Like, this is the 100 trade challenge. These are the script which I traded in, and these are the 3 trades which are completed. So I have written only 3. That was the nature, like what was the buying rate, quantity, SL, target, RR, PNL, how much we lost, how much we gained today, their exit date, trade score, sector support, trend, EMA support, market sentiment, emotion, learning, screenshots. Like, whenever you click any screenshot, you will get the screenshot of the trade also. Okay, this was the first trade. For example, our third trade was Ramco Cement. So Ramco Cement chart will open, and this is how we will get to know here we took a trade and we booked the profit here. One more thing, this is how I maintain my trading journal also. Some of the things which were coming in my mind during the market, I have written everything. So if you want, like, you can pause the video and You can see it. One more thing, in my Excel, after that, I've written my learning also. So my learning is basically I've written notes. So for notes, I use this sticky notes. For example, in trade one, these are the mistakes which I've done, and these are the good things which I've done in trade two, and similarly in trade three. Again, you can pause the video and you can check whatever I've written.
So guys, this was about all of the trades, their logic, explanation, SL, target, my PNL, as I told you about the full transparency, and how I maintain and document and how I learn from the mistakes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any doubt or query related to any stock, please comment below. I'll try to cover it in the next video. And one more thing, before investing or trading in any stock, please try to use the proper risk management. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.